One of the problems in the TVET value chain has always been to mistake the intermediary output as the final output and at times the final outcome. How many times have you witnessed training institutions patting on their back for training X number of trainees as if that was the end goal? Why blame only the training institutions, even the national bodies? And the government too takes pride and comfort over the numbers trained. It is always quantity or quality, intermediary output over impact. Typically, in many geographies, the efficacy of TVET system gets assessed through its processes and input elements at the cost of overlooking the outcome and more critically, the impact. Outcome of a good TVET system is always demand driven, quality assured, and tuned completely to the demands of the labor market. Sector skill councils, as representatives of the industry, are supposed to provide the valuable linkage between the school and the industry. Impact gets mapped by the increased state and national level capacity to young trainees to join vocational courses and increased employment opportunities and self-started enterprises, resulting in increased wealth creation. An outcome is a change or benefit that results from an intervention, such as a TVET program. An impact is the long-term effect of an intervention on the wider society, economy, or environment. An input is the resource that is invested in an intervention, such as money, staff, or equipment. An output is the product or service that is delivered by an intervention, such as the number of trainees, courses, or certificates. An outcome and impact are more critical for the success of TVET than focusing on input and output processes because they measure the value and relevance of TVET for individuals, employers, communities, and societies. Input and output indicators can show the quantity and efficiency of TVET provision, but they cannot capture the quality and effectiveness of TVET in terms of improving skills, employability, income, and empowerment. Therefore, it is important to develop and use indicators that can assess the outcome and impact of TVET on various dimensions, such as access and participation, relevance, quality and innovation, governance, and financing. Such indicators can help policymakers and practitioners to monitor and evaluate their TVET systems, identify gaps and challenges, and design evidence-based policies and interventions to improve TVET performance and responsiveness. The outcome of the efficacy can be determined from different perspectives, such as the national perspective, the employer perspective, and the trainee youth perspective. Some of the outcome indicators that determine the efficacy of TVET systems could be successful completion of the training, successful progression to the next level, trainees who get employment after training, duration of employment and progression in the employment, performance feedback from the employer and employee satisfaction report, attrition and migration of the trainees after joining employment, improved numeracy, language, literacy, along with social and technical skills, diversity, which is gender and physically challenged youth, their progression to gainful employment. While judging the outcome from the trainee's perspective, it is equally important to measure the performance, which is the outcome of the TVET Center in terms of its ability to retain trainers, improve its infrastructure, and attract good students based on its reputation and track record. Thank you very much.